Yeah, people, update on my new birdhouse. Just wait, I gotta open the door. The door is open. Now, show you guys my new birdhouse. New breeding cage, cutterbone, the male, the female, bird seeds, water, nesting box there. I only saw them mate once, but I really hope I do get some eggs, some healthy babies. And over to my right is my two young budgies. The yellow one is a female, and the blue one here is the male. Got some food in there, water. That's a breeding cage. It's pretty big though, but still a good size if you want to breed budgies. What's up, buddy?